God gave you the vision clearly. What you're pursuing is more than a goal. What you're pursuing is self-revenge. What you're pursuing, you know from within to the core of who you truly are that this is the truth. God gave you the vision of your highest timeline, your highest achievement for you. When you went through dark nights of the soul, I say nights because you and me know that there is not just one, but several moments of doubt, questioning everything, releasing. I'm hearing expansion in these moments of self-discovery, breakthrough, Kundalini awakening. When the chaos, the darkness is all around you, within, without, when you're transforming yourself, when the phoenix is ready to rise, God gave you the vision to remember in these moments where you're going, why you're waking up every single day, what you're pursuing, what you're capable of. And that's God's mastery. It's your highest self communicating with you because it knows the bigger picture. I'm talking to it keeps coming, a soldier of love. And while you're going to see what is going to be revealed to you, I'm tapping into someone's soul right now. And I have a very special message for you. Aikia ere iyo anu iyo otoro ukuma asara ea tara angua ane iya shisho borukuma atara eaka. I think you're so close for this breakthrough to become reality. You're aligning with it. At some point, you were far from what you have been given as a tunnel vision. But now, you're getting very close. That's why all this chaos is leaving you. You have some tools coming to incarnate peace. And as you're vibrating this peace, it's projecting itself. And I'm hearing it is safe for your dream to become reality. This is very deep, and I know you got that. It wasn't safe for your dream, because your dream involved financial breakthrough. And as we know, money loves a safe body. Money doesn't know hot and cold. Money loves stability. But when you're full of traumas, it's very difficult to be grounded. It's very difficult to hold the vibe of peace more than a week or two. as traumas comes in repetitive cycles, you can hold the vibration of peace, serenity, tranquility, harmony for days, but not forever. And it's as if now you've been working on some very, very, very deep trauma healing, and oh my god, an oak, Horus Ra, was just flying when I was saying that. Very golden child I'm talking to right now. Yeah, thank you, Doc, for the confirmation. You've been doing the work and it shows. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. And again, peace is all around you and within you. And this is safe for your dream to become reality. As money is reaching you, money is finding you, and money for you is just the fuel to create structures, legacy. I'm talking to a very humanitarian soul that is here on this planet to build something that is going to last and that is going to involve other souls to create, recreate heaven on earth. I'm talking schools, I'm talking shelters, I'm talking animals, refuges, I'm talking real stuff, I'm talking clinics, I'm talking village, eco-village. You have big dreams and you're a leader. God is going to surprise you in the best way possible because you hold the vision. At the moment I'm hearing the darkest moment. You kept having the faith. And that's made the difference. He who In French we say, tout vient à point, à qui c'est attendre. I don't know in English how to translate that, but it's coming to my mind. It's something like everything happened in divine timing. When you're ready, it shows, it's happening. Self-mastery. Self-mastery, self-mastery, self-mastery. Karabikin ki iyo nzuzumiyo ta okruku na aya digi iri iyo no kuro kututututututu maasi. I'm so grateful for you. It's given legendary spirit. You're somewhere, I don't know where you are, but you're seen. If you want to dig deeper, if you want to activate your soul and master yourself, check my website. And until next time.